Take charge of your health from home. Telehealth and wearables. Explained. Hi there, and welcome back to Tech Made Simple for Seniors. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that's changing how older adults take care of their health without leaving the house. We're diving into the world of telehealth and wearable health monitors. These tools help you talk to doctors, track your health, and stay on top of your wellness every single day, all with just a smartphone or a watch. If that sounds overwhelming, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow and make sense. Let's get started. Let's start with telehealth. Telehealth is when you meet with your doctor or other healthcare provider using technology like a smartphone, tablet, or computer instead of going into the office. You can have a full visit with your doctor through a video call. Just like a regular checkup, you can talk about symptoms, ask questions, get prescriptions, and go over test results. It's convenient, saves time, and often reduces the need for driving or waiting in crowded offices. Telehealth is especially helpful if you have mobility issues, don't drive anymore, or live a bit far from your doctor's office. Most Medicare plans now include coverage for telehealth, which is great news. You can call your provider's office and ask how to set up your first virtual visit. Many times they'll help you get started step by step. Some health providers even have their own apps where you can log in, schedule appointments, or message your care team. It's a great way to stay connected and proactive about your health. Now let's talk about wearable health monitors. These are small electronic devices you wear on your body, usually on your wrist, to track your health and fitness throughout the day. The most popular wearables for seniors include the Apple Watch, Fitbit, and Samsung Galaxy Watch. They look like a regular watch, but they can do so much more. They track your heart rate, your sleep patterns, and how many steps you take. Some models even measure your blood oxygen levels or give you reminders to move around if you've been sitting too long. You can also set daily goals like walking a certain number of steps, and the watch will cheer you on when you reach them. What makes these wearables extra helpful is that they can give you gentle reminders. For example, they can buzz if your heart rate goes too high or if you forget to stand up after sitting for a long period. And here's something really important. Some wearables can detect if you fall. If you don't respond, they can automatically send an alert to a loved one or even call emergency services. That kind of peace of mind can be life-saving. Here's where things get really powerful. When you use telehealth and wearable monitors together, your wearable collects data all the time. And some of that information, like your heart rate, sleep habits, or blood pressure, can be shared directly with your doctor during a telehealth visit. Take charge of your health from home. Telehealth and wearables. Explained. This means your doctor gets a full picture of what's happening with your health, not just when you're in the office, but day to day. That makes it easier to catch small problems before they turn into big ones. For example, if your wearable shows your heart rate is unusually high every evening, your doctor can take a closer look. Or if you've been getting fewer steps or sleeping poorly, they can adjust your care plan. This kind of real-time information helps you and your care team make better decisions together. Let's talk about why this matters, especially for seniors. As we get older, it becomes more important to keep track of things like blood pressure, heart rate, sleep, and physical activity. Wearables make this easy. You don't have to write anything down. You just wear the device, and it does the work for you. Telehealth lets you stay connected to your doctor without the hassle of driving, waiting, or worrying about exposure to germs in a waiting room. And for those managing chronic conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart issues, these tools can be life-changing. You can spot patterns early, avoid unnecessary hospital visits, and feel more in control of your health. You also get more independence, which is something we all value. Instead of relying on someone else to track symptoms or drive you to appointments, you can handle more of it on your own, right from your home. It's empowering, it's modern, and yes, it's totally doable. even if you didn't grow up with smartphones and smartwatches. So, to wrap up, telehealth and wearable health monitors aren't just fancy gadgets. They're tools that can help you live a healthier, safer, and more independent life. If this sounds like something you'd like to try, talk to your doctor or your health insurance provider about how to get started. And if you already use one of these devices, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more easy, no-nonsense tech tips made just for seniors. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and stay connected.